Are you looking to gain muscle? Are you looking to get more buffed, but you're not managing to do that? Are you a raw foodist, a vegan or vegetarian, or even an omnivore? But you don't want to go to industrialized junk food. You want a clean, healthy diet, a clean, healthy recipe. So this oat banana porridge is what you want to gain muscle, get lean, get shredded, get bulked, also healthy. Hi, I'm Dr. Carasa, a clinical nutritionist from Brazil that was really sick, diabetic, obese, about to die almost 20 years ago. And now, after 17 years of living a natural hygiene lifestyle, the lifestyle that we were programmed by nature to live, I have become from the sickest to the healthiest person I know. And I'm here to share with you more, not just scientific knowledge on my office. You can watch the other videos that we put on the description and here in the links above the cards. Also share some delicious recipes that can change your life for the better. Healthy, cheap, accessible, easy to make, and taste delicious. So let's learn this oat banana porridge. And stay until the end to learn reasons to eat these foods, the benefits from them for getting more fit. So for our recipe, we need 5 really ripe bananas. I like Cavendish, but you can use any kind of variety of bananas. But if they're small, it's 500 grams in average of ripe bananas. That is really important. If they are not really ripe, the recipe will not taste sweet and it will not be good. So here, raw peanuts. You can use them unhulled and without the peel, the skin, or with the skin. It's up to you, but they must be raw without salt. Here it's cinnamon. So here we have 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I have barley and oats sprouted. These are the best 2 grains to make this recipe. You can also use buckwheat and several different other grains, but these ones are the best for me, I think. So oats has a little bit more protein than barley. So how to sprout them? It's pretty easy. I will do a video, but you just use oats, throw in a jar like this, double or triple the water from the amount of grains, and wait for like 8 hours and it's already ready to be used. This is actually hydration and not sprouting. Sprouting, it must have those small white sprouts coming out of the grain, but it doesn't matter. You don't need that. So it's pretty simple. A food processor with the S blade, okay? So we're going to peel the bananas. The cinnamon, it's up to you. If you want to use more or less, don't overuse it or else it will not taste as good. 2 handfuls of raw peanuts. Around 50 to 60 grams or 2 ounces. And in this one, I'm going to use the barley, but you can use the oats as well, or even mix them both. So I'm using 2 handfuls. You can use more, but it will not be as sweet and tasty, the recipe. So it's up to you. You just mix them. Pretty easy and simple. We are going to pulse the ingredients, not process it too much. We will not have the same consistency of a porridge. So we want like a oat banana porridge. So use the pulse pretty softly. If you want a better chunky consistency, you can use just a sliced apple. You can use a whole apple. You just take out the seeds and that's it. killing me softly with his song. Now you can top it with the barley or the oats, some raisins, some cinnamon, some bananas, some shredded coconut. It's up to you. Yes, for sure. You ask me, but Eduardo, you say that grains are for birds. Yeah, but if you want to gain more mass, muscle mass, more body weight, look a little bit more bulky, you have to go out a little bit of our ideology, of our line of thought. Yes, I don't feel as good with grains or legumes, but I gain more body weight, my face looks different, I look more puffy, more chubby, more like cooked food people. So I don't agree with it, but most people like, I went into a raw food diet and I get too skinny. How can I get more bulky? How can I gain more weight? How can I look more buffed? So this is it. Combining more quantities of at least a little bit of grains and legumes. I found over the 17 years working with this, studying this, and actually practicing this, that it actually helps a lot to look more ripped. This is a dried coconut, so I'm going to break it so we can shred the fresh coconut into the recipe. So just wait a little bit and you get a really good looking porridge. There you go. So what are the recipes here? Bananas, one of the best foods human can eat, are really healthy, rich not just in potassium, but they have even protein. Most people don't know that. And the fiber, the water, the micronutrients, the phytonutrients will help you to get not just more healthy, but more fit and do more exercise. The barley or the oats, they are higher in protein and they're higher in calories. So you can get more bulk, get more calories, a little bit more protein than you do from fruits. And the fiber, there's a lot of other benefits, right? The shredded coconut. Coconut is a perfect food and a fatty food, so you can add into your diet. Good fats are even anti-inflammatory. They have a lot of good properties. The peanuts, they also have a lot of protein, they also have a lot of fat, and also have a lot of calories. So this is a higher caloric intake, so you can get like more good looking. And the cinnamon here actually has phytonutrients that can boost up your metabolism. They're thermogenic, so they help you to lose fat, to burn fat. The complete recipe, and even the apple as well, it adds a little bit of sugar, a little bit of protein, fiber, and phytonutrients. So this is the perfect recipe if you are looking for eating more raw foods, but you don't know how, or you're losing a lot of weight and you don't manage to eat the foods by itself. You can mix them all, and this is so delicious. So the best part, here we go. perfectness in a recipe. So, do you want to learn more recipes? My newest recipe book is being translated to English right now, and I already have one of my books translated to English. The Hygienic Fasting Nature Surgery is available on Amazon, so you can click the link below to read the book on Kindle, or the printed version can arrive at your home in just a few days. So if you want my help, I run retreats here in Brazil, raw food retreats. I run online courses, but they are all in Portuguese, but the retreats can be taught in English as well. I provide nutritional consultations for patients after going for 5 years of university in nutrition. And I also have 10 books published, but they're still all in Portuguese, besides the Hygienic Fasting and Nature's Delicacies that's been translated. Cooking Without the Stove is being translated to English right now. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button for notifications, comment below, give it a thumbs up, and share the video so you can help the channel to grow and you get more content for free. So don't forget to help us out and click these videos to know more.